Hey folks, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm back here with another video on UFW. Today in this video we'll discuss about some more hardening hacks or techniques that we can use on our systems UFW to secure our data technically which you know. So first port is FTP. I'm saying that the FTP ports 20 and 21, which is used for unencrypted file transfer, use SFTP and STP or resync over SSH instead. And it is quite insecure for you keeping it open all the time. So for that, we'll do sudo. Uh, I'll zoom the PC's terminal. Hope this is visible. Sudo UFW deny. The port number you need to put is 20. Hit enter. So rules are added. Again, another port of FTP that is 21. Hit enter and rule is added again. And next one is the Telnet port. Telnet, which is the port number 23, is used for unencrypted remote login, and SSH is secure replacement for same, but Telnet is not that much good to keep it up on your system. So you need to also disable that. Disabling that is a very good choice because the ports I'm telling you now is not really necessary for your systems, and it can become a major liability where the hackers use those against your own system to steal your data and do cyber red cyber stuffs. So now coming back to the topic, we'll disable the port number of Telnet also, that is 23. You can hit 23 and hit enter. So the rule is added again. And coming to the SMTP port, this port is primarily used for sending mail. If your personal system isn't acting as a mail server or something, you may not need this open. Okay, like especially going out, you would typically use secure protocols like SMTPS, which is port 465, or submission port. Okay, for sending mail from a mail client, or like blocking outgoing port 25 can prevent your system from being used to send spam if it were compromised. So we need to block that one also. So sudo UFW deny, and the port number of SMTP is 25. Type 25 and hit enter. You can see the rules that are getting added as you do your queries or the change in the policies. Though, so the next one is POP3. So POP3 is used for unencrypted mail retrieval, which is again not necessary for you. You need to disable that one also. So POP3, this port number is 110. So we don't need that also. So hit enter, rule is added again. And last one which we need to disable is IMAP. IMAP is used for unencrypted mail retrieval again, and you also don't need this. So the port number of IMAP is 143, and like generally, like port number is 143, and IMAP S is 993. So IMAP S is used instead. So we need to disable only IMAP. Okay. So we need to disable IMAP in the sense the port number will be 143. Again, you can hit enter. And in the previous video, I said that HTTP and HTTPS, it's completely up to you as a who you work, whether you are a server technician or something. Since generally on general purpose, your system is not a mediator kind of thing or mediator terminal for a server, so you don't need it. And disabling both HTTP and HTTPS you gives a cover shield on for your system on your network over the internet, and it typically quite protects you a lot from like unnecessary complexities which can be caused by hackers, obviously. So this is our end of the video. You can check the status now. Sudo UFW status. So if you hit enter, you can see all the rules that you have set, which is mostly deny on all the ports. And here it is. It says the status is active again. So it says that UFW status is active. And the last thing you can do is you can also deny ports which are reserved and which is not necessarily needed. Okay, it can be like it should be like you can deny port 0, or it says like bad port. You can deny port 1, or you can deny port 2, so on. Like you can set a range of it and deny this. These are not required. So the port number is like 0 to 9, which you need to deny, and it's completely up to you. It's not a necessary kind of thing to harden your system, but these over here are very much necessary to harden your system. So coming to the end of the video, if you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and like my video again. Thank you for watching. See you soon.